Hey guys, I thought it would be a really good idea if I created a new little cool down that you guys can tack on at the end of all of your workouts. This one is going to be timed, so it's going to be like a circuit. We're going to do about 13 different moves. We're going to hold each one for 30 seconds, and there's going to be a 10-second transition time. So I'm going to start my timer, that's 10 seconds, and we're going to start in a wide knee child's pose. So toes together, knees out, and we're just going to come down into child's pose. And then from here, we're going to walk the hands over to one side and just hold it. See if you can sit back a little bit further onto your heels. Relax your head and your neck and your shoulders as much as possible. You should feel a nice stretch along the side body. And then from here, we're going to just come up and walk the hands over to the other side and then settle into the stretch. Come on back up into tabletop. I'm going to turn and face you so you can see what I'm doing. This one's called a Wag Your Tail. So shoulders are over the hands, and we're just going to drop the hips down a little bit, come back through center, and same thing onto the other side. So you should feel a nice little release through the hips, a little bit of a stretch into the glutes. Take your time. Alright, from here now we're going to take one leg and just straighten it out on a diagonal behind you, and then you're going to come down into a quasi-pigeon pose here, and if you can, you're just going to come down onto your forearms, your elbows. If this position up on your hands feels better, just stay there. Totally up to you. You can even drop your head a little lower. I'm going to stay right here. Feeling a nice stretch through that glute. And then we're just going to transition to the other side. So come on back up, slide the other leg behind on a diagonal, and come down onto your forearms. Next up, we come back onto hands and knees, but then from here, we're just going to take one foot forward, come into a half kneeling lunge, and you're going to squeeze the opposite glute. So you're releasing through the hip flexor. Just going to stay here, draw the belly in, tailbone down if you can. You can have your foot flat or toes curled under, up to you. Stay here a little bit longer. We're going to take the same hand, reach it to the same heel, and then reach the other arm up. Reach up, kind of push forward a little bit through that hip flexor. Keep the glutes squeezed and engaged. And if you can reach right for your heel, you can go for it. Half camel. Looking up if you can. come up carefully. Hands come down. You're gonna curl or uncurl your toes so your foot is flat, and then you're gonna reach back into half splits or hamstring stretch. Pull the toes up, reach forward through your chest, all the way long spine. You can relax your belly, just let it all hang out. Okay, we're gonna switch sides now, so come back onto your knees, other foot steps forward, come up tall, and then you're gonna squeeze. Make little adjustments as you need. You wanna make sure you are feeling this, so whatever you need to do. Drop that tailbone down. And then you're gonna reach back. Same hand, same foot. If you can reach all the way to your heel, great. And then the other arm goes up, reaching it up, looking up. Takes a little balance. All right, bringing the hands down, uncurling the toes, pulling the hips back, toes up. Transitioning now into down dog. So bringing the feet together, curling the toes under, pressing the palms into the floor, and lifting those hips up, pressing the heels down, chest towards the knees. Nice big stretch here. This should feel really good. And then just dropping the knees back down, and this time we're going to do a narrow child's pose. So knees stay close together, feet stay close together, and we're just walking all the way out. We're finishing where we started. Walk those hands out, drop the head down, and breathe it out. Beautiful, guys. So that is a nice addition to your workout. It will help to relax you, make you feel really great. You've earned it after a tough workout. You don't want to leave all revved up, and well, maybe you want to be revved up, but you do want to feel like your muscles have had a little chance to recover. So stretching and flexibility is very important. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed it and that you will come back to it over and over. Maybe save it in your favorites. And if you enjoyed this, please like and share. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Short Circuits. Workouts are posted on Mondays and sometimes on Wednesdays. There might be a little surprise in your mailbox, so make sure you ring that notification bell so you don't miss anything. If you want to see what's coming up, follow me on Instagram at shortcircuits_fitness or like my Facebook page, Short Circuits. Until next time, take care of you, be healthy, be happy, and get sweaty.